Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. So let's get started. First of all, open the Afterpay app and use the search bar to find Ticketmaster. Tap on Ticketmaster and it will redirect you to the official site. Now pick your event, select your seats, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, Afterpay will already be selected as your payment method. Just log into your Afterpay account or sign up if you are new. Your total will be split into 4 interest-free payments, with the first one due today and the rest every 2 weeks. Hit place order and boom, your tickets are secured. Now you can enjoy the event while paying over time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.